Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. My dear students, as you know that we are on chapter number 1, Characteristics and Life Processes of Organisms. Today I will deliver its 10th lecture. And what are we going to discuss today? Today we will discuss about the classification of plants. So as you know, we have already discussed that. Today we will discuss specifically about the differences among flowering and non-flowering plants. So my dear students, previous lecture में हमने plants को categorize किया, classify किया into two groups, flowering and non-flowering, and then we discussed about their similarities. So today we will discuss about their differences. So my dear students, let's quickly move forward towards the recap of the previous lecture. Listen to the question very carefully and then answer it. So quickly tell me, look at the pictures and then tell me what are similarities in flowering and non-flowering plants. Both have leaves, stem and roots. Very good. And next, both have photosynthesis ka process in them and both reproduce. So my dear students, next is an ice-breaking activity. So for this activity, look at the pictures here. So here on the one side, you can see the flowering plant, and on the other side, you can see the non-flowering plant. So how flowering and non-flowering plants are different according to structure? सबसे बेसिक डिफरेंस यही है कि फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स पे फ्लावर्स बेयर होते हैं, वेयर एज ऑन द नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स देयर आर नो फ्लावर्स. और इसके बाद जब आप इसको केयरफुली देखते हैं तो इसके बाद और दूसरे जो है डिफरेंसेस जो है वो इनके अंदर निकल आते हैं, जो कि सीड्स के हैं और इनके और दूसरे तरह के जो है वो डिफरेंसेस हैं इनके अंदर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ फ्लावरिंग एंड नॉन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स आर डिफरेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू reproduction. So the reproductive part of the flowering plant is the flower itself, whereas in the reproductive part of the non-flowering plants, क्योंकि उनके ऊपर flowers नहीं लगते, तो they reproduce through their spores और cones. इनके ऊपर cones लगती हैं जैसे कि pine trees के अंदर. So through that they reproduce. उनके अंदर इनके seeds बनते हैं जो कि जो है फिर आगे इनको further जो है वो reproduce करने के लिए use होते हैं. So my dear students, in today's lecture, the students will be able to classify plants in terms of flowering and non-flowering with examples and analyze the differences. Today we will discuss about the differences in flowering and non-flowering plants. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. So Allah says in Quran, He it is who spread the earth for you and made in it paths for you and sent down water from the sky, and then through it we brought forth many species of diverse plants. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत सारे जो है वो डाइवर्सिटी प्लांट्स की बनाई है और पानी के ज़रिए बहुत सारे पौधे उगाए हैं, और इतनी डाइवर्सिटी होने की वजह से हम इनको स्टडी करने के लिए हमने इनको क्लासिफाई कर लिया है अमंग flowering and non-flowering plants. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards the pre-reading question. So quickly listen to the question and then answer. What similarities you see among flowering and non-flowering plants? Very good. Excellent. Now let's move forward towards the reading. I request you all to please open page number 12 in your Science 4 books. I hope everybody has opened the page. So let's start the reading. Put your fingers where I will read. Differences among flowering and non-flowering plants. Flowering and non-flowering plants have contrasting features due to which they have been classified into separate categories. The major differences among flowering and non-flowering plants are given below. So my dear students, दोनों के अंदर काफी contrast है, काफी difference है. Major differences इनके अंदर क्या है? Let's have a look. So flowering plants have flowers, while non-flowering plants do not have flowers. सबसे major difference कि एक पे flowers हैं, दूसरे पे flowers नहीं है. Number 2, flowering plants reproduce through seeds, while non-flowering plants reproduce through buds and spores. So जो flowering plants हैं ये seeds के through reproduce करते हैं, इनके ऊपर flowers bear होते हैं which have the reproductive organs, whereas the non-flowering plants इनके ऊपर seeds कुछ के ऊपर करते हैं और कुछ के ऊपर seeds नहीं grow करते, तो they reproduce through buds and spores. So some non-flowering plants produce seeds, but their seeds are naked, while flowering plants have covered seeds. So जो non-flowering plants के अंदर seeds होते भी हैं अगर, तो they are naked, they are not covered like the seeds of flowering plants. So flowering plants have well-developed roots, stems and leaves. On the other hand, most non-flowering plants lack proper root system and leaves. So my dear students, एक और difference ये है कि some non-flowering plants do not have proper leaf, stem and root structure, whereas all the flowering plants, they have developed root, stem and leaf structure. So my dear students, differences among the flowering and non-flowering plants are flowering plants have flowers, whereas non-flowering plants do not have flowers on them, as you can see in the pictures. Then flowering plants reproduce through seeds, whereas non-flowering plants reproduce through spores and buds. So here you can see leaves के नीचे आपको spores नजर आ रहे हैं. These are the spores of ferns, जो कि ferns के अंदर लगते हैं, whereas flowering plants have seeds in them. ठीक है, ये sunflower के seeds हैं. So they also reproduce through buds. इनकी buds के through भी reproduction होती है. So आपको spores मैंने दिखा दिए, ये leaves के नीचे attach हुए होते हैं, ये किसी चीज के अंदर enclosed नहीं होते. So अगर flowering plants के अंदर seeds हो भी तो they are not enclosed, यानी कि वो enclosed नहीं होते. So here you can see कि जो sunflower के seeds हैं, they are closed. आपको मैं previous picture में दिखाती हूँ. So आप देखें कि जो sunflower के pictures हैं, they are properly closed inside the shell. So अब यहाँ अगर आप देखें तो जो ये पाइन ट्री है, ये पाइन कोन है, इसके जो सीड्स हैं, दे आर नॉट इनक्लोज्ड इन एनीथिंग. ठीक है, नेकेड है ये. समझ में आ गई आपको ये बात? ठीक है, इस तरीके से है. सो नेक्स्ट इज flowering plants have well developed root, stem and leaf system, whereas non flowering plants do not have well developed root stem system. So here you can see कि इसके अंदर proper roots भी हैं flowering plants में, stem भी है और leaves भी हैं. So here you can see non-flowering plants, some of the non-flowering plants do not have a well-developed root, stem and leaf system. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि आपको roots, stem और leaves जो है आप उनको अलग-अलग तरीके से identify नहीं कर पा रहे. So this is the difference between flowering and non-flowering plants. So my dear students, now let's quickly move forward towards project number 4. So let's quickly first look at the instructions. Observe the plants from your surrounding area. Home, street, nearby garden, park, school, etc. Study their following characteristics and record them in the given table. So my dear students, आपके पास यहाँ एक टेबल है. आपको डिफरेंट जो प्लांट्स हैं अपने नियर बाय गार्डन से या अपने होम के पास से आपको सिलेक्ट करने हैं. आपको उसकी लोकेशन, हैबिटेट, फ्लावरिंग और नॉन फ्लावरिंग दोनों में से वो क्या है और उनका क्या यूनिक फीचर है वो आपको लिखना है. यू विल राइट डाउन द नेम ऑफ द प्लांट्स ओवर हेयर. फॉर योर हेल्प यहाँ पे एक टेबल दिया गया है जिसमें रोज, मनी प्लांट that I found near my house, उनका habitat भी मैंने लिखा है. They are flowering, non-flowering, I told that. And what are the unique features in them, I also told that. So आपको अपनी पसंद के कोई भी flowers जो है वो choose करने हैं, at least 5, and write about them in this table. So you can download this table from the description box below this video. Okay, write down the name of your plant, then their habitat, then whether they are flowering, non-flowering, and then any unique feature that you find in them. Okay. So this is how you will complete it. Okay, now is the time for evaluation. So my dear students, for evaluation, quickly answer the question, what are differences among flowering and non-flowering plants? Very good. Flowering plants have flowers, non-flowering plants do not have flowers. Flowering plants have seeds, non-flowering plants reproduce through spores and buds. And if non-flowering plants have seeds, their seeds are not enclosed like flowering plants. So these are the differences among flowering and non-flowering plants. So my dear students, now is the time for practice. For practice, you can download this worksheet from the description box below this video, or you can get it in print from by your teacher. So my dear students, write down your name and your roll number. And then, what are differences in flowering and non-flowering plants? According to flower, so flowering plants में flowers present होते हैं, non-flowering plants में absent होते हैं. Reproduction, flowering plants reproduce through seeds. Non-flowering plants reproduce through spores and buds. And seeds, if the seeds are present, then flowering plants have enclosed seeds, whereas non-flowering plants have naked seeds. Structure. So the flowering plants have proper root and stem system, whereas non-flowering plants do not have a developed root, stem and leaf system. So this is how you will complete this worksheet. Then next is there are different plants given here, so you have to categorize them under flowering and non-flowering. For example, moss is a non-flowering plant, whereas daisy is a flowering plant. So this is how you will complete the worksheet. Pause the video and complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has done it. Now let's move forward. So my dear students, now is the time for homework. For homework, what you will do is you will do question number 3 from section C on page number 24. So this is question number 3, differentiate between flowering and non-flowering plants with examples. So आपको flowering और non-flowering plants में differentiation करना है और examples भी दोनों की देनी है. How you will do it? You will draw a column like this. On one side you will write flowering and on the other side you will write non-flowering. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, the differences you will write. Then you will give examples of each, flowering and non-flowering. So this is how you will complete this question in your notebooks for homework. So my dear students, today what we have learned? Today we have learned that flowering plants have flowers while non-flowering plants have no flowers. Next, flowering plants reproduce through seeds while non-flowering plants through spores and buds. Flowering plants have covered seeds while non-flowering plants have naked seeds. Flowering plants have well-developed structure while non-flowering plants have no well-developed structure. So my dear students, this is how this is what we have learned today. I hope now you know the similarities and differences between flowering and non-flowering plants. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture and you have learned a lot of things from it. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.